Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, it seems like we're heading into the weekend again, into a slow weekend basically. Yeah. Both Bitcoin and Ether are actually set up for a nice breakdown. I don't personally think that this is going to happen on Saturday or Sunday. I assume it's going to be another quiet weekend. The reason is volume is really low. We're caught in a price range basically between $1,600 and $1,664, which is our resistance level up there, the 50% Fibonacci retracement. And yeah, it just can't escape. It's caught in a range, and typically when it doesn't happen on Friday, a bit of a sell-off. I mean, it could still happen around the daily candle close, but I don't think it will. So typically, if it doesn't happen on Friday, it won't happen on Saturday, it won't happen on Sunday. Very unlikely. Can always surprise, but very unlikely. Therefore, I assume we have to prepare for another boring weekend and with some expected volatility around the Sunday candle close. Now, what you can see here is still the same wave count that we've had in the previous video. Assumption is that Ethereum could have started already here the wave 5 to the downside on the 6th of September, where price came down in a small wave 1, moved up here in this wave 2, and is now coming down in a third wave. Then there should be a fourth and a fifth. Next target is 1591, then 1576, and then 1536, which is the larger degree 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And yeah, as long as 1664 isn't broken to the upside, this assumption is still valid. And also, it's quite interesting to see that ETH, in contrast to Bitcoin, likely completed its wave 4 here on Wednesday, whereas Bitcoin did it yesterday. Now, again, I can't confirm it's complete until we really have the breakdown, but it has to be finished, because if it's not, then the wave count will change, okay? So that means if we make one more high here, I won't count it anymore as a wave 4. It would be something different, possibly a wave 2 or a high B wave. Resistance would then be around 1715, 1715, which would be the resistance for the alternative wave count, a larger degree correction or a larger correction, like for example a wave 2, which can go a little deeper than a wave 4. So ultimately, targets to the downside are well known. It would take a break below the 1611 level here to give us some more confirmation that we're heading down, but ultimately it needs to break below 1600, which is the third wave, and then find its way to 1591 and 1576. Unfortunately, everything's very slow, but it is set up for a breakdown. Now, saying that even last week, last Friday, late Friday, it looked very similar, a little bit different the structure, but it was also corrective, and it looked like it could come down. Didn't happen. Another week of sideways action, and therefore just prepare for more boring price action on the weekend and enjoy the weekend. But hopefully we start to see a little bit of action. I mean, ideally, I'd love to see some action on the weekend. Just don't think it's gonna happen. But Sunday, late Sunday, might be interesting, as it oftentimes is. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership, and also make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.